How to add discount badge on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add discount badge on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that provides everything needed to grow, start, and manage a business, in which it offers a flexible and customizable solution for creating an online store with features like customizable themes, AI-powered tools to help get more done, and access to millions of mobile shoppers on the Shop app. And Shopify's core product includes an online store with customizable templates, tools to sell across channels, and fast and secure checkout, and built-in marketing features. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click this button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page, in which you can sign up using your email address, using your Google, Apple ID, and even using your Facebook account. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, and from here to start creating a discount badge on our online store on Shopify. If you visit our online store in here, it will show us in here that there is no discount badge included in this catalog. So this is basically what it looks like with there is no discount badge contained. Well, for the second product, which is this one right here, by clicking on it, this is basically what it looks like. And now to start adding a badge on our catalog product, all we need to do from here is to simply go back on this page and kindly proceed by clicking the products option on the left side panel. And from here, it will show you the list of your products on your store. And by clicking on any of those products, it will show you below here all of the product details it contains. And now, just proceed by going to this pricing and just enter under this compare at price. So from here, you need to make sure that before entering the compare at price, the price or amount of it should be higher than the actual price in here. So as you can see, just enter here 1,900 as its compare at price, and the price of it is only 1,000. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top panel. And after that, you could also go back on this page and kindly refresh it to see the changes. But as you can see in here, there's no changes is currently happening. So we can simply go back on this page again and make sure that all of the details it contains is correct. Now going back on this page, aside from that, we could also add here another compare at price section on the different products, which is this men's bag. In which from here, it will show us all of the details. So just go to this pricing section and can enter the compare at price. I'm going to enter here 1,000 pesos since its actual price is 500 pesos. And by clicking the save button on the top right corner, it will automatically save the changes that we just did. And now to see the changes, we can now proceed by going to our online store. From here, we can simply refresh under this catalog or homepage. And let's see if there's a changes that occur. And as you can see, there's considered a badge of sale in here. And also the compared price is now being made. And now it will show in here the yellow badge that says sale. And as you can see, the compared price in here also apply, in which on this picture it will allow merchants to display a higher original price alongside a lower sale price, clearly indicating that the discount to customers, in which this tactic can significantly increase conversion rates, as shoppers are more likely to buy when they feel like they are saving money. Well, for the other product in here, it also showcases the yellow sale badge in here. However, it does not say, or the badge does not contain the amount of percentage of discounted to the price. And now in order to create or customize this badge to make it percentage of the discounted prices, we can simply go back on our page right here. And on the left side panel, under online store, kindly proceed by clicking the themes. And from here, you can simply choose to create a new one, or choose a generated theme in here that is offered for free. And after that, just proceed by clicking these three dots right here, and click this edit code option in here. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options. And for the code that we're going to customize, we're going to use this website called websensepro.com. So you can simply copy this link right here and paste this on your tab. And below it will show us in here how you can start adding or customizing a discounted badge on your product catalog. So the first thing that you need to do is to update the code in price.liquid file. So you can simply go back on this page, and on the left side panel, kindly enter here, price at liquid. And after that, kindly proceed by simply clicking on this one. Then it will show you on the right side panel all of the code. And from here, all you need to do is to simply replace the specific kind of code or line of code in here, or this kind of code that I'm going to select or highlight. So basically, we need to find this code in here and replace this on the selected or given code on the website. So from here, all you need to do is to simply find that specific kind of code. And after that, just replace that code with a given code in here. So I'm just going to copy this code that we're going to use to replace the code in here. So just paste the code in here, and after that, just click the save button on the top right corner. And upon saving this, and if you go back in our page right here and refresh this catalog, we will now be able to see here that there is no yet change happen. So we can now go to the step 2, in which from here it will show us on this website that we need to replace or find this kind of code. For update the code under card/product.liquid. So it is basically the location of the code, which is card/product.liquid. So after that, just go back on this page right here, or under this edit code, and on the search bar on the left side panel, and paste the location in here, which is this one. And after that, it will show in here the result under this snippets. After selecting this on the right side panel, all you need to do from here is to simply do the same process, which is by replacing or updating the specific code. So this is basically the kind of code that we're looking for, and I'm just going to highlight this in order to see. So I think the most challenging part of this kind of customization is by finding the specific code, since there is no way on how you can start finding a code or searching it up by just simply looking at it. But in here, it will show you that it is currently on the line 136, so we can simply go to that line and check whether or not this kind of code also included on that line. And as you can see, we have now currently found it, which is on the line 140. So we can simply copy the code that we're going to replace this, then just simply paste the code in here. And after that, just click the save button on the top right corner in order to save the changes. And after that, if there's a change happen, we can simply go back in our online store in here and kindly check if the badges has now been changed. And as you can see in here, the badges has now been changed into discounted percentage badge in here. However, the color of it is still yellow, and to customize that part, we can simply go back on this page and add this code right here in base.css. So all we need to do is to simply copy this code right here by simply clicking this copy button. Then after that, just go back on this page and kindly enter here on the search bar on the left side panel, base.css. In which upon clicking this one, all you need to do from here is to scroll down until to the very bottom of it, and just simply paste the code that we just copied. So just paste it below here, and after that, just click the save button on the top right corner to proceed. But as you can see in here, the background color it contains or specified is red. But if you also want to change the color of it, you could simply enter here or change the context. You can enter here blue, green, depending on your preferences. However, I'm going to keep it that way, which is color red, and after that, just click the save button to proceed. And upon saving this one, we can now proceed by going back in our online store in here and just simply refresh this page in order to see the changes. And as you can see, the changes has now been changed in here, which contain the badges of red color with its discounted prices or percentage, in which this visual cue not only highlights the reduced price but also reinforces the value proposition, making customers feel they are getting a great deal. And overall, that is just basically how you can add discount badge on Shopify. Thank you.